So I'm going to show you the proper way to shut down StrinGnosis Online. The natural instinct might be to come and just close the tab, but all that does is closes your connection to the server, to the service. So we were on the thermal tab there. What I'm going to do is I'm going to log back in now and just show you that the service didn't stop. It was still just sitting there. It was still just running. The reason that we do this is to protect against connectivity issues. Let's say you have an internet cut and you didn't get to save your work. You wouldn't want to lose maybe it's half a day's work, maybe it's a day's work because the connection cut out, or you step away from your computer and then you get caught and pulled into a meeting, and then you're in that meeting for a couple of hours, or you get pulled into a meeting and go for lunch. When you get back, you want to make sure that your file can be saved and is still there. So by default, StrinGnosis will keep running for 4 hours on the closure of a tab, or on the point of no interaction before it saves itself and then shuts down for you. If you want to force the server to shut down, you come to the top right here, you click on the end session button, and I'll give you this in the middle. Do you want to save and then exit? So I do want to save, I do want to exit. So I'm going to end session this way. Then what's this going to do is not just shut down my connection to the server, it's actually going to go and shut down the server that was running StrinGnosis Online, so that it completely logs out and then doesn't keep registering a user as using StrinGnosis Online.